Hey guys, and welcome to this HMI tutorial. In this tutorial I will explain you how to create different screens and different buttons for the different screens as well. As you can see, this is the screen for the dashboard and this is the screen for the home page. And in order to exit the simulation, I have created this stop and exit button as well. So let's begin. In my previous video, I have explained how to create an HMI project. So in case if you don't know how to create a HMI project in TIA Portal software, I will provide the link of that video in description. So this is the HMI screen in the TIA Portal software. So I will expand this tab for the screens, and here we have screen underscore 1. This is by default the screen name. So if you want to change the name for this screen, right click here and change the name for this as dashboard, and as you can see the name for this screen has been updated. So I will drag this area here. The above area is basically the fixed area, so I will basically drag this controller area as well. And in properties I have the ability to change the color of these sections. So for example, I have selected the bigger area and I have assigned a yellow color for this bigger area, and if I want to change it again, I have to drop down from here and select the white color. And similarly, if I have to assign color for this fixed smaller area, I can do it as well. So I have assigned this orange color to this one, and similarly I can change the color for the grid as well. So color for the grid should be dark. It is up to us, so I am assigning a dark color. Okay, so you have the ability to change the color for these sections as well, and you can also control the height of the fixed section from here as well. As you can see, we have the height control under the layout section as well. So I can expand and collapse this toolbox section, and in order to read this section better, I can show the description section as well. As you can see it from here, for the better readability you can enable the description as well. So I am dragging this date section here, date and time section, and I have this text box section and I will drag and place it here. By using this section I will write the title for this screen, and I'm gonna write here my WinCC project, right? And after that I will be using a button for the exit screen. I will align it at the center of the screen, and I will use this button option here in the element section, and I will place it here. I will use it for the exit or stop purpose, so I'm gonna write it stop underscore exit. And in order to assign the functionality for exit, what I will do, I will go to events and then I will select press, and here I will write stop, and I will select here stop runtime from here, and it will have the ability to stop this screen while using the simulation, right? I will explain you while using the simulation. I will place here a text box section in order to write the title of the screen. So this screen is for the dashboard, so I have written the dashboard. As you can see it from here as well, this is the dashboard, so I have written the title for the screen as dashboard. So I will create another screen by double clicking on the add new screen on the left navigation, and I will rewrite the name. I will rename it home page or simply the home. This will have all the options except the title of the page. So as you can see, this is the dashboard and this is the home page, right? These are two different screens that I have created. It will have all the options except the title. And what I will do, I will change the color from here. So as you can see, you can change the color of these sections according to your use, and I will place here the text box in order to write the title of the screen, which is the home. So I am placing the home text box here in order to differentiate it from the dashboard. So let me show you from here as well. This is the dashboard screen and this is the home screen. I will explain you in the simulation as well. and in order to switch between these two screens I will be using the template. So in the screen management section I will go into the template and I will double click here, add new template, and as you can see the new template has been created. This will have almost the same sections which we have on the dashboard and home page. So I will drag dashboard and home section here in the template, right? So basically these will become buttons in order to switch in between these two screens. And I will place these two buttons in the dashboard screen. So right now I'm double clicking on the dashboard screen. Right now, as you can see it from here, I'm in the dashboard. So I will simply drag this template here, right? And you will able to see these two buttons because they are in the template. So I will do the same for the home page. I'm in the home page and I will drag the template underscore one here as well, right? So this is the benefit of the template. And now I will basically use the simulation in order to show you how we can switch in between these screens. So turn on the simulation from here, and here we are in the simulation board where we can see the dynamics of the screen. As you can see, this is the time right now, it is changing and updating, and this is the dashboard. And if we want to switch in between home page or dashboard, as you can see this is home page and now we are back into the dashboard. So we can switch in between the screens from here, and when I press this stop or exit button I will basically exit from the simulation mode as well. So if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.